Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring in brilliant black crystal pearl. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black stow-in-place roof rack, blind spot and rear cross path detection, LED tail lamps, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, power sliding doors, split folding rear seats, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6634.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.